Rugwe aka esimugwetera namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange.
Marago bengia rieri tukeriga riesa watoto tariki 13 motinyo gatano na limo mwancho murigire na ukonera ndonsia sole karibu sana kionga chinsa ibire kurende gukoinyoria asekera tariki 13 chakira umutinyo gatano na limo nigobono ensengima eguchingira bali babwate lisangwa lirabo goseba koliroka lisangwa aliemesota bali bamanyakanete na albinos ime yense engima igono nyanense ya Kenya yanyara kulichingira asinchira yabene kwarorera bange abande barokwa amalietande amakumi kiagira lisangu liabo lire tofauti kurende bonsi gose twensi mwanya banto na twensi nigo tobwekaine. Karibu sana nchenguruko Matilda Obaigwa nere nyaboke ven croissensemo area yebimanyero. Karibu tonyare gusanga ase ikionga litukoria rero ria Jumamosi. Yure parish yemerongo ene na inye ase litukoria rero hiyo gutoka ime chinsemo chia Nyakoe ose wadi ya Nyakoe ime ya Kitutu Church South ase county ya Kisii no moyega omanene onyara kurawa no mo bishop we diocese ya Kisii nere Joseph Mairora Okemwa oyo oikiranwa na barai au kurwa ase serikali county ya Kisii abarai bage siasa na boigo abobwatani au no mulikito Tyson Manyara agutomanya.
I, Right Reverend Joseph Mairora Okemwa, Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Kisii, after deep reflection and necessary consultation as required by law, do hereby establish St. Matthias Mulumba Iranda Parish in accordance with the Code of Canon Law.
Omwesikobyo Kisii, Bishop Joseph Mairora Okemwa, nigo anyegora bene Iranda Parish na koyeroka elieta lyo mutakatifu Matthias Mulumba. Nigo mo bishop amokwanera Matthias Mulumba kurwa Buganda nigo aitetwe esauri anjete Yesu Kristo.
He was one of those martyred because of Kabaka Mutesa. He killed people, and this Mulumba was one of his leaders. But because he insisted of being Catholic, he was killed along with others. Even the youngest called Kizito. Charles Ruanga, we have a cathedral called Charles Ruanga, was their head. They died.
Nigo eparishe iyo egotoka se wadi ya Nyakoe, Kitutu Church South, Kisii County. Boigo mo bishop narwa etobauti erororo ase kanisa amone parish.
I'm saying that there is a difference between church and parish. A church is a physical place of worship for the Christians around that area. And you have a beautiful church here. That is the place that attracts many people to come and worship. Jesus Christ wants us to be one. A parish is the fundamental local community of the Catholic Church, consisting of a specific geographical territory and the congregation that resides within that area.
Chisenda chaye niko chire isano nemo na isato niko cha Rusugwa Maran Parish ne chinde isato kuranya Bururu Parish. Niko omo bishop amwaka mabuta na kumobeka omo sacerdote lapa ni chuma kojera e parish yo eyo.
Canonically installed Father Laban Chuma as parish of St. Matthias Mulumba Parish. I
Father Laban Chuma, with the firm faith, believe and profess all and everything that is contained in the symbol of faith.
Bishop Joseph Mairoroke mwachingakie chiechio nigo akora amonjoleria yabasasiroti babere. Fata Timothy Ongera nigo aegwari huko agende komokonya Fata Masese parish ya Nyamira.
When you report there, I'm sending Father Timothy Ongera there, who is currently in Siongo, but I cannot leave you at your home.
Fata Peter yako waigo orusi wa Kisii Cathedral otumagocha Kerema parish.
A young priest who is not so young, he has worked in so many parishes. And now even the Vicar General does not know. I'm snatching you, Father Peter Yako.
Kuripoti Gatembe, Kuronyakoe Ward Kitutu Chache South, Njewai Cliff Tyson.
Mwancho murire na kuro asensemo ya siasa mugavana wa kaunti ya Kisii Moske Paul Simbarati oyokira naroro moseneta wa kaunti ya Kisii Moske Richard Momoima Onyonka na boigo mbunge wa Kitutu Chache South Moske Anthony Kibagendi baikira naroro kolende chinga kecho niko bono omo Bishop Joseph Mairora nyara gukana muna siasa te nyara wakwa ase chinga kecho kose ase omoyegoyo na abana siasa abo sabara yabo bage siasa mbabwate ayibalinge gusanga kalengana no muliketo Anko Dipon Asanya.
Nege kore gitari kiabutambe anene asabana siasa. Ebiro ebikongu nigo byabanyora asomusangirekano gwekanisa asakorende bakaniwa tibabasagwa ka siasa anene bnabara ibaguse asomuyega bwokwigorwa we parishenya chinsemo cheranda mewodi ya Nyakoe ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South nigo baegwa libaga lyokwana na makwani omuyega oba gokurawa na Bishop Joseph Mairura mujumbe Anthony Kibagendi nigara baraibande ase ebunge yuo.
Kuna centers nyingi mpya. Tunarudisha shukrani kubwa kwa viongozi wa makanisa na bishop wetu na mapadri ambao wamefanya hili liweze kutimizwa. Niweze kumalizia niseme bishop hapa kanisa shule hili tumejaribu kuleta maendeleo kadha wa kadha. Tumemalizia kazi ambao Mheshimiwa Onyonka alikuwa ameanza ya kumaliza administration block kwa primary school na secondary school. Tulitengeneza madarasa mawili, tumetengeza maji ambayo inasaidia watu wote katika area hii.
Asense mojende omugavana Paul Simbarati nereni gaikirana asomojigojwe asense mojende barolekana gutwara obotawbauti bwenkwana gati yaye no mujumbe Anthony Kibagendi igoro yobokoreri anene bwechipara chinsemecho.
Ile kazi ilianzwa na Senator Onyonka, alikuwa anafuatilia mambo ya barabara inatoka Egesa inakuja pale Nyatieko Iranda ikienda Nyakoe ikienda Kioge. Alifuatilia akasukuma when he was in the budget committee as a member of parliament. Mimi pia vile niliingia kama mjumbe nimesukuma kwa miaka mingi na sasa we managed to put it in the budget. We are hoping that the tarmacking of this road will start hopefully before the general election comes.
Masikanta iyo abarani nobale ntoko nyara kuramana kuru mambya mpaka maroba tekero monta chiche atotebi nkera anyere okora simba tarakora igogio gaki fa bishop ni maetenge president no musanyo kurubara amete president igoro esbali nyangurwa epale na bera basogotenena.
Gukonekerekyo omo seneta wi county ya Kisii Moske Richard Momoima Onyonka ujuboigo onyora libagali nyinge kegima
Bishop gakwana oteba nto basegusalie keganyeke igongo kwane gente kan mogyoka omwana ominto simba na politigas naye tigambo lya banda bali swali babontebi yes omanye ninkimite babotebi no omanye ninkimite abakresto ba minto na bali mura ngasi kimoro chengwene to kuli kichikura chigocha obogabana God bless you. Thank you, sir.
omwarioje nigabara yabaiga bakwanira siasa yomurembe anene asogokora emirimo.
Na niambie viongozi wote katika kaunti yetu, tutafute kura kwa amani, tuheshimiane na tufanye kazi ambayo viongozi tulitumwa tukafanye. Tusije tukageuza kaunti yetu ikawa a war zone. Asanteni sana.
Tokore siasa ya amani. Nkwaigwa mujumbe ngaye kaunti ngaki abamureba bangire mwaega. Ejibona atagitasa lya bante birenga ngise ginero. Segite kobo ese kanisa.
Wangapi wanapokea salamu za Matiang'i? Mwanchera niremo kwani na ere.
Kuriga segeti rande bunge ya Kitutu Chache South eri nenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Teribori riamaragoba ayabono ritukerigaria sabato kukuburiana ne noisanegete no bokoreri bwa ababunge bachorire ase ebirogo noisanegete no bokoreri bwa ababunge bachorire nyara husanga na intego chega ase studio gwetera ase inamba yaito ya SMS chega ase studio gwetera ase namba yaito ere ase kerore GTV yawo noisanegete no bokoreri bwa ababunge bachorire ase ebirogo ekerengereri kiao ekiengencho chinsemo chiri okorwa muragoba yabono chinsemo chiri okendete gusanga ekionga okorwa na chinga kecho mwancho murigereria kokoirania asia magana yo gusira chikanisa nigobono aba arai bakora no mugavana omukoro we county ya Kisii Muske James Omariba Ongwae bono banyarire gusira okwagacho kusegeta nabo kubeko kobukaso kwagacho we kanisa enya ye Adventista ya Mount Zion itongo iyo kutoka imeti nsemo cha ibacho ase wadi ya Kiamukama ebunge ya Nyaribari Masaba county ya Kisii nabo igo abwatani banyara gwikirana ase chinsemecho nakorabuna nere etambukiro kingencho gusira amagacho ase chikanisa ikiagera nali amasisenia agocha buno murikito Daniel Ontiria gotumanya ase oroboti rokobwatia
Nasensemo yebacho imebunge yenyeribari Masaba ase kaunti ya Kisii asomoiga bogosangelia ebisabwa gokonya asobwagachi wekanisa ye Adventista asensemeiga yimanyikanite buna Mount Zion itongo obuya nonya nabo wachakiwa nabo watani au bakoragwa no Muske James Elvis Omariba Ongwae omoiga waliganetiwe no mugaka James Matundura ase kirenga kyogokinyo mugusi ase dini
kare mungu atakarekie kaibere tikatobitore ino mwakorire gento kyo kumye asoboje gutwagasie egekamago na egente kimurage gwe na ende kitarine na bondo gikire gitarimbe asaya nagachwe abone genda babekere nga nagachwe
asense mwende Matundura nigagokigwa no mukyoye umusikongwae unagwetera somoyoye bogwanja no yubugwanjani amonchiri au nagenderete koenekigwa sichinsemo au
Omugani narule kujaguru kwa honorable Ongwae. Ongwae ya mujanda sana kitu kwa na nera gale naro. Ombuli ngambanga nyepanga ikabu. Amudebia. Ote wabano into mege tori kingo toma. Lakini nyuma yeme tienye vere. Monga riba kaja kutene no mujango nchebuwe. So nena bali irego. Nero kwa na kurwa moranga gao jagocha. Aja gotende nyuma ya metinye berega tomo bange umochangondo naende
umwana siasa Victor Swanyogeto kurase county ya Nyamira negati yabalia waigo baikirana osegeta waigo bwanchani wechikanisa na mona serogongo rwagusi
Now kama una sababu now ndio unapata unaraniwa nazo nileta kazi but you see kama kuna reason why you should not give dilabo kusasa
asense mwende swanya nigabuli mugusi no mukenya asubwagale gochora barayi barabakonye nakombya barayi babegete magania babanyene mutwe
asabali bawuda kubuya ubugani boweka na inyuwa na icyungura tabya ingakiye gut mochora singe gwechi mochora esinge demokorengere biya mokorenga kutochora uburai boweka gotokoni chunguze kirumu baba kingamba bwate a profile babate ndibakore kunyuma bikorekana abantu abantu baje kumukia emisigo yino abuna mwende kurire na info tuwasaba noni county tiko eka mmoja watora abantu urumu governor women representative senator abachumbe aba MCA tora abantu baje kubakora
Mkurupatire gataseni kia gatembe kurega kia mukama ime ya kaunti ya Kisii litrene nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Mwancho murigire gukwira ase kaunti ya Nyamira ase bono musasiroti we parish ya Nyansabakwa iyo gutoka ime wadi ya Nyamaya ebunge ya West Mugrango ase kaunti iyo anyara kubarigania abakristo abo babiri bagutwara umuchando obwa maiso kurinde banyarire gusibigwa ase ekilisia ekyo na chinga kiekyo nigo bali babiri bagusibigwa inse yobuteneneri gose yobo ogusirwa na nere wakili Philemon Amurara Piemi bono banyara kwerabuna amaine bachakire korora egekorwa bono kyanyara kogokia ababotani abange ase ekanise yo nonye egekorwa umusasiroti yo anyara gotogia buna mulikito Fatiga December gutombanya ase oroboti rokubwatia
Puna enjira eyemo yogwiraniria ng'ambi ya mono maega yogosibigwa amaiso nigo abakrista bubare inse ye parish ya Nyansabakwa abwo banyorekanite no muchando bwa maiso inse yo muroberio bwo muwakiri Philemon Morara Apiemi ange omutienyo yomo oyitire bono ase baganeretiwe gosibigwa amaiso nigo rero baikirana somuyiga bwa masabo ase parish eyo Father George Makori no musasiroti omonene we parish yeiga ya Nyansabakwa kago kwanera igoro yogosibigwa okoiga abakristo basibigwe
nkuru kwa Father George Makori parish ya Nyansabakwa mweshimiwa Piemi na chitega igangi mitinyi ya etire akalenga abakristo n'abantu be enseme amaiso wetani abantu chiminye igabakaegwe birore nambali banyaorekanite babwate chinkenge batakire gusibigwa amaiso abantu ange 50 aiga bakalingo liuna barabo bakairwa bakebabo nabo abali magegaiga basibigwe batare korora buya nabandi bate bali kirisime bale korora likongoli iga lakini bono bakorora buya
okwada na bararia maega kubabweniwe mbaene kyabuna babwenire boikiranu engana bagenderera gwakabuya
Bire ngutandika mutwa mangi sana miaka 5 nomo kuno yosaba ngwe kurura gishiriane ubu bugata maiso na ikururire siko na iruri nyagetari tinyinge nasinyire ono ngotemeke limo yeli wanya yasira ndeli gutanta nankala yani ngo chikolie lili ndono limo sunte kaki nake iromo isimigo yo mora Apiemi Morara akinya sa amabeko na lagende ko amende agende konya bangi ko tanintu
na tande gyase miaka 5 nduare telio kere kana ko gwana ngora motu ko kunyatia kumbe na maiso nduare nje ngore nyasa na biyamano ando moisimiu tinko moe bana tindo jina nintigere maga sari onkonyire na ri sari anakanyaria mwami
nonye nabo ebabwatukire esegeto nonye ngucyasa bande abo bataranyorekana no mucyando yo iga bwa maiso kwerenda bokongu korwasebiria endake bikwirira umucyando yo iga
kamoko genda aria etuka mure chintetebe chikarati jiri musime kake igasi ni kuna kubeko goyo kwari embese kwayeta kuna igo na liora bwene na enderende mobe mogo mokobare nelioki kera nyoriro buseneta abaorokereringa abono igasi nere mogochi gutumeka naende mokobaso mugaso yokomesa mono
kubwatikana na yaiga nigo umusasiroti oyiga omonene boigo airire chika kyecho na gukwanira igoro yoborai obuya
asigasi yagendere togokora igasi yoboereria noborai actually noboereria so abaiga igo bari kirori igasi yakorekanire so togosaba ng'anya agendere gusisini omorai yoyo na asisini abaiga bono konye mbai korora no eno gosoma lero nabo omonto agosoma ebibilia
aiga boigo basabira abantu weyatanana na mang'ana yesero korende chinga kichobo chori imbuya gochora abarai bamakora
mira gatagete korora omonto godeliver services guchesa abantu ekiagera bono chibesoko ng'asiringi 100 chino no hoteli nchigo isanura cherikuliere kende lakini egento buna ekang'ere kiebirore ekene egento kiobogima bwane bwonsi bingo chikwegokeria nande ndabego nkumunyora ase obogima bwane bwonsi chibese chiri tokoe ng'umbosa egento muneko monto atoreteire kia maiso osibiria bang'ina maiso twari gocha gusabuchia bwa misini asikero yomo lakini arogaramire chibese chichonse pe
Ingo ripota Getembe koraiga se parish ya Nyanza Bakwa eye gotoka imeye wodi ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Nchefatigad Yisemba
ale nase amangana yechi kanisa mwancho murigire asensemo yechi semi nigobono aba botani kubomono aba iboli bagwata abana babo ase eskuru ya Ekirbo Comprehensive Omobera iyo kutoka ase sub county ya Kenyenya ebunge ya Bomachoge Burabu county ya Kisii bono banyarire kwe murungania kubwatekana na sare nene yabirige kwenekirwa ase eskuru yo samatuka make aetire nigoba kwe murungania mugasolero magiga nande nyumba y'oburaro y'abanyoroka abeskuru yo kuya obutuko obugukira rero nekero bono chimatres na boga marangeti anyara kuya nekero abaiboli banyari kwe murungania buna obuteneneri bweskuru yo mbaranyara kutwara obwasioku na kubairera narali abiriga kwenekirwa ase skuru yo ase amatuko amake aitira se batebire bagendete konyora sara na boigo abana babo tiba batwarira oboba abana babo tiba guchikonyora chibesa chisemi chivirengo biria biganerio muri keito Gilbert Kobi no roboti oro
nime ase eskuru ya Ekirbo Comprehensive Primary School imeyensemo yo Mobera Kenyenya sub county abaibuli nabo igo abamenyi benseme yiga amo nabarokigwa nigo babukira korukyo kumya ase eskuru ya nyariko bageko bwato umuriro yigo turanyara kubago kumanikana ekirenga kyaye gose aso chakira nigo orete tamaswali ya mange abaibuli banyako bakwebulia nekinsemo tenenera inganki kyale atumuriro ngabuno yiga
kobori eskuru ya Ekirbo CCF chuma mosi eko ikira lituko ngita na koyera ituko ndio senju mwana senju matano echeko yara me ikira chuma mosi
kente eskuru erega CCTV awende wano korosie control room aso mondo yo maro control kana wano tuacha toligere ngana ki what happened imagine up to now mondo tayo mago to eresa ngangi kegendre nyonye na ali mu bali baka so mi ma ndio yo to eresa to tebi ngangi kegendre ta bana winu kanga ba nyona bana wa feto wa kids ndurama yo grabona
bono liswali anengo boneli eskuru ya ira maragatu dormitory yaba muleka ya dormitory yaba isekende ya the last 2 weeks ende ayire rero abana baitu bari gutuka ngambo tuko ya itwara yo konya no mwana no yomo
uko musanana nigo kwarorekanira aroro igati yaba menyi benseme yiga abagwatari bekisemia senseme yiga no boteneneri bweskuru yiga asenjera eskuru igenya koba kuirwa
eskuru ya konya karibu ni biashara biaye usamba ogenda imuka ogenda redisi ochaka kwagacho nyambo kitata idikoro muntu ndi bwensi seita kuno muntu okoro kwenyombe ya community umasaito beneficiary
oli Ministry of Education eskuru ya bere ne personal property nona abafanyikazi bo kangeri batari kunyara gukwana abafanyikazi bo kabafinyire bari kunyara kweyana even teachers they don't have where to run for kindly narakubuli ya Ministry of Education mutakwanja makonye skuru e kwani muntu teyosomete kutatiko nyamboki muntu mwaote yosometa ande na rukuru bonchali na rukuru bogere akonye skuru e nyamboki no akole biashara biaya ibintu bituma ngino koni ngina biara nero koni kirege to nere abali mumbali kukwana no yani uchile paka naonesa account nigata getoko ya control
kama kuna kitu inaendelea katika huyu mwalimu. So sisi kama wazazi na viongozi tumekataa. Afadhali aondoke aende shule, aende kwingine ili tupate amani. Kwa sababu tukiangalia vizuri ukweli wa Mungu
tukende na skuru yiga yatwariro ko bwo chafu ngana one ikicho asabana bakunyara ko bakogenda kende getakoliri bose bonjuri bonda bose bitakoliri abana gutunyana ko bakonyora okosaribwa okonyora uburoire weri sabeso ngabona gusaba kwa barimu bakwatani bekisemi nabo igo emisiri ekisemi ejyane ko bagego swesokya nabo ikugutera sobora igwaye ekonye skuru yiga ekonye mu baruwa abana baroro konyora kisemi abego kigwetenera go kimutwe.
Kwa hivyo mambo mengine sometimes can be a security issue. We cannot call you as parents tuambie. When the security issue is concerned, kuna mambo ambayo yanafanyika so that we do not have interference hapa katikati.
Kwa hivyo tulikatembea kwa sensemo ya Ekirbo Omobera sub county ya Kenya Machoge bwabura bwa county ya Kisii amarita nje Gilbert Kobi
Wancho muligirere wikase ebunge ya Bonchari ensemo ya bamenyi ebunge yo abo bagutumika epara ya menyenya bogita nikobono baracheko gose bagendete guchingira murobiri bwo kwagachwa gwepare yo cross wa kubekwa elami na kubomono kubekwa kuburaro gose taracha ase tinsemo echo nikobono ekyombe geteneto boro okorosie wa wechipara ya Kenya Rural Roads Authority gose ekera bono kianyare kubwatoka chibesa chire chimilioni 15 ase omuroberi oyo bono onyarire koenekiwa gose engana yanyare koenekiwa no mubunge obunjari omoske Charles Onchoke.
I was able to get Kera to include it in the program of our roads, which we call the Menyenya Bogita Road, and I'm very excited that we are doing the tarmacking, the graveling, and we're putting the tarmac and compacting it. But as you can see, just behind you is a river, Nyamiri River. And I know it so well because just across this river, my father has a farm there where we used to come when we were young. So it's a place that I'm very familiar with. So these two areas were not connected because we don't have a bridge, but we're having a bridge connecting the two sections. So that the people from here can move to wherever they want to go, to the markets, to churches, to see if they're friends, with convenience, a bit of ease in communication, and therefore not just making it easy for communication, but also promoting business, because it's a major connecting road. This project is costing about, the bridge is going to cost about 5 million, and the road is about 10 million, so about a total of 18 million Kenya shillings that is going to be used for this project. The time frame, we have done the road work, so what's remaining basically is the bridge. We are giving it 3 months. So by September, we are ready to go.
Bueno, ipari yaitoka gere kanta consultations utu anekingia avantoro como ya escola visiane biamono so kuwata ntu kwatra ni naino ba mate oni kantu kwate contractor itu ele site ga na boroche oere ya constituency roads committee na kutoka kwa muchuku ya toa kolega
Mwancho murire asengane yo tokogenda omutimo komoke kurende gukwirania aseri bolyo rie maragoba yabono ne noisanegite no bokoreri bwa babunge baria abachorire injuranga na bokorika ujumbe yao gusekerengererike yao gutaiga ase studio witira ase number 0716111177 namba yaito ya studio sokulika ujumbe yao gocha gusokwiraniria kwao igere 0716 11 77 noisanegete no bokoreri bwa babunge bari abisi noisanegete na babunge koso bokoreri bwa babunge bachorire nabo kunyara gutuma ekerengereri kyao nabo igo onye go isanegete andake na seki nabo igo nyeto isanegeti ninki kwaroreke korekana asekirwo ekyo kyo bobunge kubwa muno no nyekurwa ase e constituency yao eritari yao eri ngenjo nabo igo chinse mojiri okurwa nabo kunyara gusanga ekerengereri kyao gochaiga ase studio namba nereyo 0716 1177 noisanegete no bokoreri bwa babunge bachorire wikirabo tokagenda omutimo komoke ujumbe yao ntochekoba tokoye rigereria
Eyeiga ne machine ya 8020 ne machine eramong ne machine chanuga best ekere machine eyeiga client ya gutumia ngokonyere emechando buna bono umuntu obwate high blood pressure muntu obwate emechando yechinengo chikomwati amagandi asomobere manyinga atagutara buya bintu bikomobeta kurunse ekera akutumie machine ye 8020 aya namaliogara kero riberera riri gosoa eri gokonya at least ya manyinga itatara buya amanyinga itasibigwo buchafura somobere bwasoka kurwa somobere erinde ria manyinga atara buya gochikira ase kere kimokyo mobere kyanyora obugweni bunaiganiri nabo ige bimubieto byachaka kwerwanira byo kebinya ene na boigo ebimo bieto biachaga kotwaro obwererani borobia kwanyora ng'a omubiri ochakire koirana boronge omubiri ochakire gwekorera egasi boronge kwanyora omonto kwabeire boronge.
Iga ne mashini ya N4 ne mashini engiya sana ekero omonto obwate omochando bwegete kia omogongo ne mashini ena bokorarera iga kire mashini ya rosiri kwirani omogongo oirane buno orenge kiagera ngosange ono bwate problem ya rumba bikote bya konyara gonjora buya kero kurarera mashini iga na bokorarera igoro tai mashini ocho gosoy gochime gosekende ene mashini ya rosiri buya ekwirani omogongo ito oirane buno orenge one kero bwate mechando bachigo gwate kero bwate mechando yekinengo chibimbete mata kero bwate mochando bibi tera bya magoro bigo gwate kabisa abokorarera iga kwabe kukugoro kwabuye iga kwararera kwabe kega tari gosoy gochime alafu mashini yenere design kabisa na rosiri ne remote yaye na ere kurigereria omubero omugima na kie mashini yo omubero ore yaira ni omugongo buno bwenete koba kero bwate problem yo moto watia kabisa enere mashini yo gutumeka erinde yagokonya mechande yonse ara kurwa somobere
nekene enyagitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa wokorubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea niko bagotoka imeyo muchobo songo asamagacho auru tawa sirirongo nyakabere eyuerange nebengi ya Kenya Women batari rero kusiba hakirisi migwetera sichi namba chabo 0784 955 717 gose 0705 86 0053 Nuga Best kotanga mbuya kogwa kogwenia. Ine kwabiri gokorya roadshow track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo eratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate roadshow track experience neyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabiri gokorya track yiga ya roadshow iyo rakorere product launch ose emesangerekano ya gesiasa brand activation ose emesangerekano ya cooperative egatiye chi roadshow chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere track yibwate bagariya eyekerero nabuigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiria nigo liriya kigima eryo lichunjukire ligo kwana nechinguru nabuigo likira bantabange nigo babwate chi DJ Janjere chi MC nabuigo track yana boko nyetumika asobokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsemo abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amonechi county chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya street yago teka babuna street endeyonsi chingaki obunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimgwetera senamba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange.
Mwancho murigirere karibu sana kira tugendete ne kionga chinsa ibere chabono muragoba munanatika huko manya eriganigo litukolimanyekane buna International Albinism Awareness Day balia abarabu ko sababu ate lisangwa lirabu bale emesota ne lituko liabo osene lituko lioko bachingira na boigo kubanyora ase omoyega omonene ase oariganirwa ne serikali ya Kenya oyo nyara korawa no mwaziri wechiseme musike Julius Migoso Gamba na boigo oyore omonogeri bwe serikali kose government spokesperson nere Dr. Isaac Mwaura oyore oyubweli sangwerio ayo bono banyara koyora ase egeti kia Athika School for the Visually Impaired kose balia baturiko igwa ase skuru ya Athika na chinga kiejo ni skuru yu ya nyara kuimokiwa wika ebirengo byokoba e National School ananomono sokotenda mangana ya balia boiboire asinchira engao abatari korora baturiko igwa na boigo ase amanganande amange.
This year's theme proudly in my skin, celebrating all skin tones, is both powerful and timely. It reminds us that diversity is strength. It reminds us that dignity does not come from appearance, but from our shared humanity, and it reminds us that every child, regardless of their color or genetic condition, deserves the opportunity to live safely, learn fully, participate equally, and dream without limits. When a child is denied education because of discrimination, Kenya loses talent. When a qualified individual is denied employment because of prejudice, Kenya loses productivity. When a capable leader is excluded because of stereotype, Kenya loses innovation. The government, therefore, remains committed to advancing disability inclusion, strengthening legal protection against discrimination, and ensuring that persons with disabilities, including those with albinism, are fully integrated into our national development. But government cannot do this alone. We call upon parents to nurture and support children with albinism, teachers to create safe and inclusive learning environments, and employers to focus on competence and merit. We call upon religious leaders to teach right, to have the right kind of values so that there is no discrimination, and community leaders to challenge harmful practices. The media also to tell positive stories of persons with albinism, not just when they are heroes or zeros. Even normal lives is a story. And so therefore, young people today, let us not waver. Let us not look back. Let us believe in ourselves. Let us believe that 80 years ago, the vision of those who started this school knew that one day, we shall also have a person with disability as the president of the Republic of this Kenya. Through our Linda Afya program, including Linda Ngozi, Linda Macho, and Miwani Mashinani, thousands have been able to access healthcare services, support for their eye care, and now most of these programs, including protective clothing, are being handled by the National Council for Persons with Disabilities. Let's clap for the National Council. So we continue to champion our rights at the Pan-African Parliament, at the EU Parliament, Japan, and even at the UN itself. These efforts have contributed to the adoption of the Africa Union Plan of Action on Albinism 2021-2031, and we are calling the member states to establish and appoint the AU Special Envoy for the Rights of Persons with Albinism.
Last year, tulikuwa tumetolewa 10 million ilikuwa imetolewa kwa Albinism Fund. But today, 10 million has been reinstated. Siyo ni makofi. Tunataka kushukuru serikali because of that. We also want to thank the government because it has given some of us some opportunities to work.
As we celebrate this day, let us commit ourselves to creating a society where every person feels valued and accepted. Let us promote access to education, healthcare, sun protection, employment opportunities, and equal participation in all aspects of life.
Mwancho murigire ukona kurase skuru yoyo ya balia abatari korora akoro ikyo kutoka asio mochi otika me county ya Kiambu nigo mwaziri wechisemi muske Julius Ogamba wono anyara komochia oboturubano bwabere bokoneke wa ase sector yechisemi na ase atebrubuna serikali teguchia kurigireria nabo igo goitaba aborokiwa babe bagusalia enibo ekero ase kero.
We must reaffirm our commitment to protecting our schools as spaces of learning, discipline, innovation, and character formation. Violence, destruction, and unrest have no place in institutions established to nurture the future of our nation. The government takes cases of unrest and indiscipline in schools very seriously. There can never be any justification for action that results in loss of life or destruction of property. Any grievances should always be addressed through the appropriate channels without resorting to actions that harm others. As a government, we will never condone actions or acts of violence, vandalism, or any form of lawlessness in our schools. We remain committed to ensuring that learning institutions remain safe environments for all students and staff.
Wanjo murigire na kurwasi amangana a siasa nigo muraiwe kiama gia DCP Muske Rigathi Gachagua uliwe kiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front Muske Kalonzo Musyoka na wigo gatia baraibane bagenderete kusabanyara gwikirana a sichinsemo o ime yorongora Western Kenya a sitaro yabo ya gisiasa itari yo yanyarite guchaka matuko kusia yanyarite guchaka lituko regoro nigobono yanyara kugendera na chinga kyecho nigo bagendera kumotia serikali yayo Muske William Ruto na kubura buna abakenya tibaranyara gwisaneka n'uburai bugenderete konekiwa matuka yaiga
Wewe William Ruto, kama wewe ni muungwana, kabla hujaongea mambo ya Kalonzo na si mtu yako na hakai kwa serikali yako, hii ya Musalia Mudavadi ya kwenda kwa baba yake si ujeke kwanza, si ndio? Kwa sababu wewe unaongea mambo ya mbali ya Kalonzo. Kalonzo is not part of your government. Musalia Mudavadi is your prime cabinet secretary. Barabara alipewa wakati ya Uhuru Kenyatta, mwaka 4 hujajenga. Kabla uongee mambo ya Kalonzo, mambo ya Ukambani, saa hii wewe uko Western, utatue hiyo maneno.
Wananchi ambao juzi kwa niaba yao sisi tukazindua kama United Alternative Government bajeti ya mwananchi ambayo iligusia mambo muhimu sana. Nitataja mawili kwa sababu ya media leo. Jambo la kwanza ni juu ya elimu. Tuliona waziri wa Ruto akirukaruka akisema sisi yale ambayo tulisema sio ya kweli, na tunasema capitation. Kila mtoto apate in secondary school pesa zake 1450, hizo asifikii. Walimu wakuu katika mashule yetu yote tukasema tudaregesha msimamo huo wa free and compulsory primary education, na pia katika day school zote Kenya ziwe ni free.
Zile ahadi zilizotolewa na nyingi zimekuwa ahadi hewa, na ambazo miezi chache kama hajafanya miaka 4, tunataka tuambie watu wa Western haiwezi kufanyika. Hii miezi michache imebaki.
Tushikamane, tuhakikishe that the 2027 August 10 general elections will be the most consequential for the reasons that I began by explaining. And we are sending a president after only serving 1 term. Not because we hate him, but because the guy is untrustworthy, deceitful, hates the common person, hates the young people.
Rigiji alifukuzwa kwa UDA maana haikuwa nyumba yake. Alikuwa amepewa deputy president na bado akafukuzwa. Sisi hatutakuwa wajinga kwenda kwa uchaguzi wa 2027 bila nyumba yetu. Tumeelewana? Na mwenye anaenda kupeperusha bendera ya urais wa taifa la Kenya, tutakaa chini tuongee na tuelewane. Kama ni mnagani? Sisi sio wajinga eti Ruto asimame peke yake na sisi tuweke candidate wangapi baadaye atatushinda. Candidate wetu atakuwa mmoja, aonane na Ruto ana kwa ana. Watu wangu mimi
na rituko ria rero ni gumurai wensi ya Kenya Muske William Ruto anyara wikira na ase kaunti ya Kakamega na boigo asumuru bili kugendera kubasigita abakenya na kuba muno bwatani kurwa sorogongoro kwesonania kusigoso ase chisako na boigo ebyombe ebikebike byo biranyare kubakonya na chinga kyecho ni anyara kwera muna gwitira ase ebyombe no nyabarai abange abo bareme ye serikali nigo babiri bakonyora ugokonyeka.
Western Kenya is rich in hard-working farmers, traders, professionals, entrepreneurs, and innovators. It is rich in agricultural potential. It is rich in human capital. What has often been missing is organized capital, strong member-owned institutions through which individual effort can be transformed into collective economic power. That is the gap Shirikiana seeks to fill, and we do so beginning today. It is responding to the real need. It is correcting a long-standing imbalance. Through institutions such as Shirikiana, citizens can mobilize their own resources, build their own capital, and create their own path to prosperity. In doing so, Western Kenya takes its rightful place in Kenya's cooperative revolution. Ladies and gentlemen, the evidence is very clear. Kenya today boasts one of the strongest cooperative sectors in Africa. SACCO membership stands at close to 8 million Kenyans, while the sector's assets have surpassed 1 trillion Kenya shillings. Hawa watu wote mnawaona, mimi nikiweko, hawa wabunge wote wakiweko, hawa watu wote wako kwa cooperative na wako kwa SACCO. Hakuna mbunge ambaye sio member wa bunge SACCO. Si mbunge anapata pesa nyingi, lakini yako kwa SACCO. Kwa sababu inafika mahali pengine kinaumana.
Mwanzo murigire na chinga kiecho Dr. William Oruto ni gobono anyara kubagikiria abamiririe bae asaba muchiri na gotebuna siasa enyinge yechinkwana terikonyara kwagacha abakenya kusiteri eye kirenga ikironge kiranyare kubakonya abakenya
ambao hawana mpango yoyote, ni porojo mingi wanazungusha. Ukiwasikiza wakitembea na huku wanasumbua watu, wanaingia kwa masoko, wanapigia watu kelele, hawauzi nyanya, hawauzi kuku, hawauzi chochote. Wameenda huko na loudspeaker kupigia watu kelele. Wanaenda huko kanisani, hao si wa members wa kwaya, sio wahubiri, hawatoi shuhuda, ni watu ya kwenda kusumbua watu kanisani. Wanaenda huko kwa mazishi, hata hawajui nani amekufa, anaenda kupigia watu kelele huko. Na ndio mnasikia wanatangatanga huku, hakuna kitu imefanyika, hakuna kitu imefanyika, sijui nini. Kwanza walianza wakasema ya kwamba yale mambo huyu William Ruto anasema hayawezekani. Si walisema huko? Wakasema ati Ruto ni muongo. Sasa mimi nataka niwapashe wakuje hii Western Kenya, tuwaambie ile mumiasi ilikuwa imekufa, sasa imeamuka. Ile soni ilikuwa imekufa, sasa inafanya kazi. Wale walikulima walikuwa wanangojea miezi 6 walipwe miwa yao, sasa wanalipwa kila siku 7 wanalipwa miwa yao. Wale wafanyikazi wa hizo kampuni ya sukari ambao walikuwa wanangojea mwaka moja walipwe mshahara, leo wanalipwa tarehe 27 kila mwezi. Wakuje hapa tuwaeleze ya kwamba hospitali yetu level 6 ya hapa Kakamega inakamilika mwezi wa 11, tunaweka vifaa, watu wa Kakamega watasonga mbele. Waende huko Bungoma, waone Bungoma tunajenga hospitali mpya ya bilioni 8 kule level 6 kule Bungoma. Wakuje hapa waone stadium yetu tunamaliza in the next few months hii stadium yetu. Waende waone Vihiga tunajenga stadium. Waende waone Busia tunajenga stadium. Waende waone stadium ya kule Bungoma imekamilika. Tuwaeleze ya kwamba zile barabara nyingi zilikuwa zimekwama, sasa tumezikwamua. Wajue ya kwamba wale waalimu ambao hawakuwa shuleni, sasa tumeajiri waalimu 1,100. Wajue ya kwamba ile NHIF yao ya watu milioni 8, sasa kwa SHA tuko na watu milioni 31. Hawa watu tutawapasha bwana. Ni mnanielewa? Wale watu ni mafala sana, hawana hata wajui mbele wala nyuma.
Mwancho murigire na sekiunga chigosori ni gobono finali ya gikombe kia Mozart iyo irachigokorekana asegati ye timu ya Tusker FC na boigo ni timu eri ya Wakengoyo ba Police FC bono ni gira chigokorekana ritukoria nkyo chinsa kianda asenkoyo iyo ganyerire ekegiba ni gobono egochigokorekana asegati kia Kwale Stadium iyo tokaime ye county ya Kwale.
Baba Yeah, we prepare as we have to prepare. If we win and play CAF, we have to prepare that way. It means internship, video session, and training session in the morning, and also individual meeting with players and involvement of the board, because this game involves of the club. So yeah, I'm very happy of the mindset. The level of concentration is top from the players, and all the coaching staff. Everybody is involved and happy to play that final. So the mindset is top. There's absolutely no injury. The only injury we have are in Nairobi. They haven't traveled, so we have no injury. So it's perfect.
First of all, I'd like to thank God for this opportunity again with Kenya Police. It was a good experience for us last season, and I'm happy it is happening again, basically with another team. So far, so good. I think my players have done so well in the league and also in the cup. Not really in the league what we would have wanted, but we thank God for the position 3 that we got. Of course, anything can happen. We know Tusker is a very good side. The fact that they're in the final, and you know, finals are not like league matches. We expect anything from them. If it goes for penalties, we are prepared. 90 plus minutes, we are prepared, and we are ready for anything that is going to come at us. It means a lot. Like I said before, it's a redemption for us for the season. We did the number 3, which was not what we wanted, and I think for us, if we win this cup, it's going to be a big plus for us, to our fans, to the whole team, that at least we've got something this season. This is a cup final, and we started, I mean, anybody would have taken it. We've had teams which have done so well, like Bibred had a big chance. They knocked out big teams, and you could see. So this is a different.
Wancho murire kirato gukura kionga na kuboria buna ono isanegete no bukoreri bwa babunge bachorire ase birugo ase bunge ryokorwa no isanegete no bukoreri bwa mubunge uria ugukora gusoko kuwakilisha ase ebunge enamba ye studio ni 07 16 11 11 77 ase ulio taraika kulika ujumbe ya wandake enamba nere yo 07 16 11 11 77. Puna bono iga oiga gotebuna not satisfied with all members of parliament. Agotana they have failed to represent Kenyans well by sponsoring bills that can help common mwananchi. Agotebuna we have zero hope with that house. Okay, igatebona kurachinse mochire acha kitutu masaba nere McDonald Maina iragotanga ba bunge mbaraba bagotowakilisha sinchira iri yabono iri ya bene nabo igonere ayagotebona Hello Getembe Paul Okorwa Nyamoke Obonchari agotebanga no agendete kuligereria Getembe eti na bagendete kuligereria Getembe TV na boigo Boaz Sogota agotebomna nice na boigo Pilipili Hoho agotebona korwa Timani tionde ina yani agotebanga kama ni uwezo wangu wote waende home juu hawajui yale tuliwatuma watu wakilishe na abono onda kore ekionga na onye tingeti korra ujumbe yao singecho yebiro tumerane nande na gusanga ase kionga chinsa inye chialero maragoba nkoro kwa Matilda ubaigwa nyaboke ven kurwa ase ebimanyerero mbia mana sana.
Yabona munyero chega ene machine yetengi ya sana ya manyo ngosangora bantu bari babwate metando ya prostate pogosumbwa se gakerege tambe bantu babwate program yeke semo Johnson bantu babwate mochando pado bwa mogongo bantu babwate pado mochando bwe bachwa kosekero kenda abana bari bayiboirwe batayikonyara gutara toko baroka bagataye